Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can buy USDT on your Bitget account with your local currency, either Naira, Dirham or whichever currency. So your home screen should look like this, but if you mistakenly press the market icon down below, your home screen will look like this. And if you mistakenly press trade icon down below, your home screen will look like this. And if you mistakenly press the features icon down below, your home screen will look like this. And if you mistakenly press assets down below, your home screen will look like this. So don't get it confused. But home screen should be this particular icon. You come back to click on this particular icon, be aware. Then you go to this icon right here that looks like human. You click on it, then you scroll down to look for P2P, because the transaction we want to do right here is P2P. But you buying with your fiat money, buying USDT with your fiat money is P2P. You buy it from merchant on the Bitget account. So this is the P2P icon. You click on it, then it will bring you right here. So here I need you to pay more attention. Different merchants have different volume of USDT they want to sell. So I said the limited amount they can sell is starting from 100,000 naira, which is equivalent to, I think, one something. You understand? I don't know how much is it to naira. I think 90 something naira. I mean dollar rather. And some I said, oh, their own is this. So I tried this guy. I noticed he's selling from 100,000 above. You understand? So I had to like withdraw. I left there, then look for another merchant. Another thing is, be careful of the merchant you're looking for. You need to like look at their transaction so far. Do you get? So you don't fall victim of scam. You understand? So I look for another person, and this one is selling starting from this one. Price starts from 20,000 above. So if you have 20,000, you can purchase from this particular merchant. But for me, I'm buying 35,000 worth of USDT, which is equivalent to 24.12 USDT. Yeah, so I input my amount. Then after inputting your amount, you scroll down to click on buy USDT with zero fee, as you can see right here. So after clicking on that, and one thing you have to be careful of, make sure they drop your listing before you click on paid, before you respond to the programming that says it has been delivered. You get? If not, you lose your money. Then after clicking on that, to bring you here, you click on view payment method. You scroll down. So when you click on view payment method, it will take you to another place, which you bring out the person account number, their local account number. Here you are. So you click on the local account number. Note, you don't have to click on pay until you've paid to that account number that you copy from here. Here is where you copy the account number, as I've shown you. Then you go back to your local bank, either UBA, whichever bank you want to access. If you want to use OPay, Kuda, whichever account at all, you go to your local bank. So after you've paid, that is when you now come back to Bitget to click on this paid. So now let's go to our local bank. Here is my local bank. I'm using OPay, so I'll pay from OPay. So after I make my transaction, OPay will also ask for different just to confirm. And note, make sure the name you copy, the account number you copy is tally with the name you are seeing on your local bank account before you make wrong transactions, so you don't lose your funds. You have to be very careful. So after payment, you confirm. You understand? So I have to input my payment to confirm. Do two-factor verification, face verification. You understand? Everything has to be strict this time, which is very good. Succeeded. So after you've made your payments on your local bank account, you have to go back to the Bitget account to confirm that you've paid. Then you click on paid right here. Yes, you click on I have transferred you understand? Click on. But if you have not transferred, maybe you have network issue, you have to click on I have not transferred. So Bitget will cancel the transaction. You get it? So you have to wait for 2 minutes, 1 or 2 minutes. Sometimes it's not up to that. Then if you did not go, you have to request again. So I think it has not gone. So I have to like request for release. Then boom, they've sent it. So I have to view my assets. So to view my assets, I have to go back to home screen and click on assets. There's another buzzer on that angle. So when you go to assets, you won't see your account balance immediately. As you can see, before I started this video, I'm on 14.36 USDT. But I have to like spot where the USDT went to. You click on spot first, you can go to future, but for me, I've noticed that it's always on OTC. But for some people, they might see their own on margin. You understand? So for me, I click on OTC and I saw it there. You get? Here is the transaction, 24.09 USDT. They'll take their gas fee. You understand? So you click on, as you can see. So I'll make another video on how to transfer your money from OTC to your spots, so you can trade different accounts. How you can trade your BTC from there or different things. So please don't forget to hit like button, subscribe to my channel, and follow for more. Peace out.